Sai Ram, I offer my loving pranams at the lotus feet of Bhagwan Shri Satya Sai Baba and Sadguru Shri Siddheshwar Baba. Going further with the series of signal videos, in today's video you will get to know about the Gurudev's third signal. The third signal for Guruji was the easier sticking of consciousness near the Brahmarandra for longer durations. After the second signal, that is the coming of consciousness very easily at the midpoint between the two eyebrows for longer period, when Gurudev's consciousness got stuck to Brahmarandra, then he concluded that the midpoint between the two eyebrows and the Brahmarandra have got very close connection. He found that repressed mental formations emerge from near the Brahmarandra. Then the consciousness which was resting at the midpoint between the two eyebrows runs near the Brahmarandra to demolish those repressed materials, and after demolishing them it feels more free to come back at the midpoint between the two eyebrows. This was a continuous process. From this reoccurring experience, it had become very obvious to Gurudev that the consciousness would not be at rest till it demolishes all the formations near the Brahmarandra. Due to this, three things emerged soon in his life in terms of psychoanalytical understanding. First was the central figure in each group situation, which used to look very dominating earlier, looked very ordinary now. For example, if there was a big meeting in which a very powerful authority was sitting surrounded by many other senior persons, now Guruji found it very easy to concentrate and communicate with the central powerful figure on the level of equality. Second was the people all around looked insignificant and meaningless. The idea of watching people and being watched by them vanished. Due to this, some immediate behavior changes took place in him. Those were like people along with their egos and opinions looked meaningless. He started walking straight and erect without any fear or anxiety, and also he started talking straight and firm without any nervousness. Third was he saw certain dreams which confirmed that the change had taken place right at the foundation. For example, in one dream he saw himself having fun conversation with his father where his siblings, mother and other family members were also sitting. It is important to mention here that for Gurudev, his father was a dictatorial figure and thus represented the central powerful authority in the family. In another dream, Gurudev found himself having fun chat with one of his teachers in a big group. That teacher was very dominating and a dictatorial figure. From these experiences, Guruji found that there is an image of someone near the Brahmarandra which blocks the free flow of energy up to Brahmarandra because of his or her suppressing actions, and thus represent the repressed mental formations. So, that figure has to be outstripped by the consciousness. So, this was the one of the most important experience and signal for Guruji. To know about other signals, keep watching upcoming videos. Jai Sai Ram.